Absolutely.
I'm gonna pass my phone around, so just put your phone number and then hopefully you'll get the boot me.
Oh, word. Okay,
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you. And then we come back and work 3 to 6, and then we're out for the day. But everything that we do is kind of always fluctuating. Yes, do you have any questions?
No, he said he dropped a worm. Something, what is that? Crawling. Something.
Gecko. So those will be all over your guys' house. Geckos occupy like all the space here.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So you talked about moving down everything on top.
Yeah.
You scared me.
I know, I'm doing it for the best kind of thing.
Oh, okay. Who here has heard of the term free-range organic bird? How many times have we heard that? It's like saturated, right? What does that mean?
Well, what it actually means is this.
See, what had happened was...
They are free range, but they're all shoved together, like they're not in cages. So they could be free range if there was like a couple thousand less chickens in the range that they put them.
Okay, girl, yes, absolutely. So what that means is that birds have the space to go. We don't lock them up, we don't confine them. There is no net on the top of this. There is on this one. This is the adolescent coop, so this is like elementary school.
Drawing on?
Oh, yeah.
Training of egg drawing.
Absolutely. So I'm going to open the door, you guys, and just do me a favor. Let's move in here quickly.
I don't know if I want to go in. My deep woods doesn't protect me from this. I don't know. Any pecking. Oh, yeah. Is it bad to feed a chicken?
Yeah, it's happened, but it would be considered being a
monster.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's making all that noise.
There was one in the group.
So far, starfruit. Noni is a really amazing medicinal plant, which I'm sure Uncle Eric and then we'll talk to you guys about La'au Lapa'au plant medicine tomorrow. I was like hooked after that. So plants are insane, and especially in Hawaii, there's like so much medicinal purposes. They're chickens in a way that we find responsible. So we get them. Okay, so has anybody ever slaughtered an animal before? Right on, right on. So if you eat meat, I think that is probably the one thing that you should do as soon as you can. It was a very profound experience, and I think that everybody should kind of take part in like a respectful slaughter or dispatch, because it's everything and it makes sense, you know, and we're kind of so disconnected to our food that it starts to make sense when you kind of go through the whole cycle. You raise the bird, and then you slaughter, and then you consume, and it's kind of this process that starts to make all the sense about why we only should be taking what we need, right? Which is kind of this ole to enter the space. It's a Hawaiian chant when you kind of ask for permission to steward the aina here, the land. Really, honestly, getting the native Hawaiian keiki involved in wanting to farm again is probably one of the more important things that we try to do here.
He's gonna record it. Arugula.
Yeah, let's go through the circle, and I think we can, if you guys take off your shoes though, please.
Yep, we get off
And
our
then you
shoes
can
and we
put
can
your
get
shoes
on
right there, and you can come circle Oahu. Because I wanted to start making salt. This salt from the ocean. So a lot of the kupuna, older Hawaiian, if you call it, this kupuna, this is a good gift, guaranteed good gift to them. You can't mention directions without understanding the movement of the sun. Okay, the sun is coming out of the ocean, projected upwards. Right, you can almost like, let's put a little personification in it. It's like, boom, thrown up, imparted energy directed upwards, and then received by the ocean to the west. Anything solid, you got to understand the empty space around it, or else you don't understand it completely. That's like, you cannot eliminate when you talk about the land, when you talk about the environment, without those concepts. So you can't talk about the land below us without talking about what? The blue dome of the sky, as well as the darkness of night caused by the sun not illuminating it. Does that make sense? The sun scientifically causes every single natural cycle to occur. So that's the science of their thinking, the esoterics of their thinking. So the sun is not a god, but it's the trigger for all life. The ancestors of the past is all Mokua. When we say God is Akua, but actually it's a family lineage that takes us back into the heavens.
Yeah, although you can also use, like, you can also receive abundance and joy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's